Welcome to Vlogmas day. I'm not even gonna do the math. Welcome to Vlogmas day, whatever you see here. Y'all. Okay, let me do my self-care and then we'll talk. I look like an egg right now, but that's okay. My face is like super shiny from the skincare. So hopefully that settles and absorbs straight into my skin. I tried my best to do it myself, but anyway. I'm just like not having a good time recently. It's okay. I go through these like stages where I just really have to remind myself that some days I just like won't always be in a good mood. Not to say that I'm not in a good mood. I'm just melancholy. I think that's the word. I'm not sad, but I'm not happy either. I can't explain it. I'm content. And I'm just trying to get through the day. I just don't feel present. I haven't felt present in a few days, which is why I got off social media. I deactivated my TikTok. Also, I'm opening a box that I got from Moonchild Minerals. I got a little crystal hawk for you. What was I saying? But yeah, I just like haven't felt present. Like in between all last week where it was nuts, like trying to vlog, edit, you know, keeping up with YouTube, keeping up with my crystal shop in the busiest week of the whole year, keeping up with posting on TikTok consistently, and then trying to, you know, juggle my 9 to 5, juggle taking care of myself and my workouts. I burned myself out. But you know what? I'm glad that I did it. Because initially I thought I was going to test myself all month doing all these things. Yo, I was burning myself out really bad. I didn't completely burn myself out like 100% because if I had completely burned myself out, my mental health would be somewhere else right now. I feel like this year, I think what did help was like, as soon as I felt, okay, I'm doing too much, I pulled it back and, you know, I let my body rest. I didn't push past that kind of like line where I knew things would get really bad for my mental health. I think we're good. I think I really tested my limits to see like what I could do, and I could do a lot, y'all. Like I think I spent pretty much all week just go, keeping up with my vlogging and editing without really thinking too much of like, should I be doing this? No, I just kept going because that was the mission. So I'm glad that I tested it out. I tested my limits. I knew where my limits are, and I'm setting boundaries. So coming 2025, I'm gonna be that girl in 2025. So, but I'm letting my body rest because again, it is winter. I have to accept that. You know, I'm getting less sun. Days are shorter, so that also affects my body and the way it feels. So, you know, coming spring, y'all, it's gonna be different. But I'm glad I tested myself and I now know what I'm capable of. Oh, so cute. Hope this package brightens your day. The sticker's so super cute. I should get something like this for my own crystal shop. I love how they always include a twig of lavender because it makes the box smell so good. Honestly, I forgot what I purchased. My sister's like, hello ladies, this chat has officially become Christmas dinner prep chat. We're in charge of Christmas dinner this year. I bought from this lifestyle specifically because I've really liked these tourmaline quartz raw pieces. So I got a few of them. I almost feel like I got something else, but I don't remember what. So I guess we'll both find out. Oh, I think I know. This was random. This one, I just saw it and I was like, wait, I kind of been wanting one. This one is a Kambaba Jasper frog. It's super cute. I really want to build my altar again. I know I've been saying that for ages, but I just need to find a better place for it. But wow, it's so cute. Kambaba Jasper is honestly a very underrated stone in my opinion. It's so pretty. Like, hello? Look at the detail. I love the little round circles. Super cute. A new addition to my collection. And I got these 2 pieces. Quartz with petroleum from Madagascar. It's got 2 pieces. Super special. Hi Kimi, do you want a crystal cleanse? give her a crystal bath. She's purring. She's so cute. Okay. Lovely, lovely. Oh, I just remembered. Ooh. So this is one of the pieces that I bought of the quartz. Hello? Can I get it to focus? Super pretty. Sorry, my big hands are in the way. I think this one has a little bit of calcite inclusions. Okay, this one was a special, this one was a splurge, I'm not gonna lie. Because this one I saw it and I was like, oh, but it's calling my name. Ooh. Sorry, what I just showed you was quartz with tourmaline from Pakistan. This little nugget right here. There we go. And this one is quartz from Brazil. How freaking gorgeous. Like, look at that clarity. It's gorge. I forgot that I had ordered a cauldron. Oh, okay, so this is another quartz with tourmaline. Really, really pretty. Has a tourmaline peeking through. Oh my god, just love this tourmaline. It's so pretty. Very special pieces. And I also got a obsidian cauldron. You know, so I can do some little spells on my altar. And it's like pretty deep, so I'm pretty sure I can like fill this up with like, you know, make my own little spells in here. Oh, I honestly love the softness of the inside. So interesting. It's so well made too. Really cute. I'm in my witchy era. Okay, time to meal prep. I wish I had my tripod, but honestly I don't know where I left it and I cannot be bothered to grab it. So if every angle today looks a little funny, then that's why. I'm gonna do my simple basic taco bowl because I feel like I can't go wrong with those and I have the ingredients. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just upload this vlog. You know what? It's a messy vlog. It's fine. Not much going on other than my usual day-to-day activities. But whatever. The whole point of me is posting. I just have to remember. Anyway, I'm gonna do my makeup really quick because it is 2:46. I almost have to go. So I ended up meal prepping for the next 4 days. So now I'm just gonna do my face makeup really quick, and I do want to do a small try-on haul for some things that I bought yesterday at Target, some athleisure wears. Update on my hairline that I'm growing out. I feel like I've grown out a lot of it, honestly, because this was way back here. I feel like that could also be nuts. I don't know, but I think something's working. I also never had all these like tiny little hairs, so I'm assuming that's where it's all growing out of. And essentially I've just been using castor oil to fill in those gaps. Okay, so jumping in my room, it's a work in progress. This is, and also I just dumped all of my laundry there because now I have no excuse to not put it away when I come home. But this is the first outfit. It is super comfy. I thought this would be a little chill outfit that I could still go out and look cute in. I feel like a teddy bear in this, honestly. Even though I did try this stuff on when I was at Target, I like to try them on one more time before I take off the tags at home, because sometimes it's just different for some reason. But I think this outfit is a keep. I mean, just imagine it with like a cute little, oh, honestly, even with my little new tote bag that's carrying my planner stuff, this is a vibe. I mean, is it not? I like it. Make your dreams a reality, duh. And then I don't know what the shoes would be. Maybe some sneakers. I need to find some cute white sneakers. I think that's what's missing in my wardrobe. I got this sweater. I really, really love the color. Oh, I love that it has a little, I don't know what you guys would call this. I didn't know I was gonna like this type of, you know, end material, but what I end up doing is I tuck them anyway, and I feel like this actually helped keep it tucked under my like bralette a little bit easier. So it's a cute vibe. I think this is also a key. I also bought this workout top because I feel like I don't have any black simple tops like this. I thought the little detailing on this one was cute. And then the back also has something interesting. So this would be fun. I'll probably test this out in my next cycle class and try to make a cute little workout outfit together. Okay, I got a cramp trying these boots on. So these were definitely a splurge. These, I was just walking by the shoe aisle really quick and these boots caught my eye and they happened to be my size and they were the only ones there. So they are TBD, and of course I do feel like I need skinnier jeans for these boots. This would be kind of a cute outfit. I would feel comfortable in it. It's simple, but the boots give it a little something, you know? I also feel like sometimes I do want boots that aren't black, so I feel like these would go with other outfits as well, but I think I'm gonna try them with different jeans and see before I fully commit to keeping them. I am loving the sweater. Okay, I'm pretty sure I didn't get any clips of me actually cooking the rest of my lunch today, so it's okay. But essentially, it was just the plant-based chorizo. Good thing I cleaned these tables myself. This plant-based chorizo with potatoes. I cut up jalapeno, onions, cucumber, and then I still have lots and lots of cherry tomatoes from my mom's garden. So eat them with chips. Today's chips are Pringles because I forgot to pack something in the house. Also, I feel like I'm having such a good like skin day, considering that I'm not wearing any foundation today and just powder. I feel like I do have like a little bit of like breakout there. I'm almost on my period, but I mean, honestly, like, not bad. My skin has been feeling really, really nice using the Medicube booster. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this. I'm probably gonna edit the vlog today and have it up by tomorrow. But I don't know if I'll vlog the rest of the day. We'll see.